guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY erase board. But before we get into what we need, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So here's what we're going to need. So we're going to need a picture frame that you don't use anymore, some paper, and a glue stick, or you can use tape if you would like. First thing you're going to need to do is disassemble the picture frame. Now that you disassembled the picture frame, just take one piece of the cardboard and put everything aside for later. So now what you're gonna do is place the paper you already have on top of the cardboard and fold the sides down, just like how I'm doing in the video. Make sure to use the glue to glue the sides down so it sticks on and doesn't fall off. Press it really nicely. And now you should have something just like this. Now that we got the main part of our erase board, we can assemble the frame. First the frame, the glass, and the cardboard that we covered up with white paper, the second piece of cardboard, and the back, of course. You can use this whiteboard as a to-do list to keep on your desk. And let's make an erase for it too. So what you're gonna need is cloth. I'm using an old shirt, some cardboard, scissors, glue, and some elastic. I'm using a headband. So first you have to cut the cardboard into the square. You can make it any size you want. And then cut the fabric at the same size. I decided to decorate the cardboard with duct tape. You don't have to do this, but I like it like that. And now with the glue, all you have to do is stick the fabric onto the cardboard. And this is what you should be left with. And also I decided to add the little piece of elastic, kind of like cloth thing to the back. And there it is, the whiteboard and the eraser. Alright, so you have made it to the end of the video. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on. Bye!